Good morning and welcome to Krusty's Kitchen. I mean Christy. I say Krusty because autocorrect changes my name to Krusty because I don't have an H in my name. Good morning everybody! Look at that, I don't match. Oh well, today I am going to show you guys how to make the best, hands down, best chewy keto cookies in all of the world. I got this recipe and ideal from Keto Connect, love the two of them. Had to try it out for myself when I saw them do it because I was like, there's no way that is gonna work. The magic ingredient, well let me tell you, that magic ingredient is a game changer. Oh my gosh, this is my second time making these cookies and I need to bring it to you guys because you have to know this hack. Okay, so let's just get to it. In my bowl, I have 1 stick of microwaved butter because you want your butter softened. I didn't do it on the video because for some reason, every time I turn on my microwave, it messes up the video quality. So we've got 1 stick of melted butter. To that, we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour. So I got my little half cupper. 1. There's 1 cup and then half a cup. Okay, and you don't have to do wet and dry ingredients separately, you just throw it all in a bowl. So there is our 1.5 cups of almond flour. I will be posting the recipe also at the end of this video. So we got our 1.5 cups of almond flour. Now we're going to do a half a cup of Swerve. The recipe calls for Swerve. I prefer the keto approved brown sugar. You can use powdered Swerve, you can use granulated Swerve, or you can use the brown sugar. Calls for half a cup. I don't use quite half a cup. I also don't like super sweet things. So it's about like this of the, what is this called? Sucrin Gold Brown Sugar Alternative. I purchased it on Amazon. So we got that in there. We're gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla. Who doesn't love vanilla? I love vanilla. It smells so good. We're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You know, I don't always measure everything exact, so if you see me going a little over or a little under, it's okay. It's 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Magic ingredient time. 1.5 tablespoons of powdered beef gelatin. You heard me right, beef gelatin. I got this one on Amazon. It's organic, grass-fed, whatever. Doesn't smell at all. I don't smell anything. Sorry you guys are seeing that backwards, but it needs 1.5 tablespoons of beef gelatin. So we're going to do 1.5. You guys, trust me on this. I was like, oh, those guys are wrong. They're just making it up. It can't be that magic. Oh my gosh, total game changer. Back to what we're doing. 1.5 beef gelatin in egg, 1 egg. In. That is the base for the cookie dough. Now, for our cookies, I am going to try to make them kind of like a faux chocolate chip oatmeal cookie. So what I'm going to add, oh, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Sorry about that. Pink Himalayan salt, just a couple little twists. I like that sweet and salty savory thing, so use more, use less, it's for your own taste buds. I am going to use hemp hearts for the fake oatmeal. And well, just a little less than half a cup probably. Probably like, kind of like the brown sugar did. I did, whatever. You guys, I don't edit these videos, so just sorry about me tripping up on my words. It's just the real deal, I tell you. So we got a little less than half a cup of hemp hearts, and we're going to just add some Lilly's chocolate chips. That looks good. Okay, now, move all this away. We're going to turn this into cookie dough. We'll lick these later. Off video. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of push this all together, check it out. Looks like cookie dough, feels like cookie dough, smells like cookie dough. I've got the oven preheated to 350. I'm going to plop these onto a cookie sheet with a piece of silicone paper, which is behind me. It's actually a silicone mat, not paper. They have these at Costco and they have them on Amazon. That's where I got ours, off of Amazon. I love them, absolutely love the silicone baking mats. These are gonna go in for 18 minutes, but you start checking them between 14 and 15, depending on your oven. I just like to make little globs of it. Set it down on here. I don't know if you can see. Here, I'll do this back end. I don't want to bore you guys with all of this, so I'll just do a couple to show you. Just like so. Just like this. Then I'm gonna pop it in the oven, and I will be back with you guys as soon as they're done.
They're done.
And they smell amazing. Oh my gosh, they're still cooling. You can see the hemp seeds in them, but oh, they smell so stinking good. We'll let them cool and I will make a video of a taste test. Ah, dog stuff on the floor. Oh, look at that lighting though. That's actually really pretty. Okay. Okay. We're gonna put the hubs on the spot. What we need from you is to know, is it soft? Is it chewy? Does it resemble oatmeal any way at all? And would you change anything about it?
Do you want to know if it tastes good?
Yeah, it's coming.
Don't drop it.
I won't drop it. They're still a little bit warm, but we want a first impression. Show us if it's chewy or bendy.
It's bendy. It's not cooled all the way. Looks like a cookie. That's really good.
No way.
It tastes like a regular cookie.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Like a chocolate chip cookie. Tastes good.
I'm gonna try this one when I'm not live because I don't have any.
Yeah, it needs I need to dunk it in something. It's
Is it kind of dry?
No, not compared to most
keto
bready things. But it, cookies need milk or coffee. It's really good. I wouldn't change anything.
Really?
It tastes like a oatmeal chocolate chip cookie.
You can taste like oatmeal? Even though it's hemp hearts?
Mm-hmm.
What?
It's really good. This is like the best keto cookie I think I've had.
So you think gelatin is the secret?
I don't know enough about cooking to know what the secret is. It tastes good though. I can tell you about eating.